Kapod hon mana kadhoad nam chumbi nyakoro magaji wang Doho mashanzu wachiwo thuolo ne obila geng'o ne jadolo Mackenzie kachiel koda chije wetene kuom thuolo mandalo 30. Ndalo ma ichako kwan gi chien kochakore tarik 3 dwene. Jang'ad bura Yusuf Shikanda okone achije go biro geng' negi sende mopogore opogore mag obila mar chiwo ne obila thuolo mar dhi nyime kod timo nonro margi. Okone kaluwore gi chenro madhi nyime mag manyo ringre dhano e bungu ma Shakahola, luoro nitie ni kowe gi thuolo to ginyalo rocho chenro mag nonro madhi nyime sani e wi tho mar ji e gwenge ma Shakahola.
The police are hereby allowed to hold the respondents in detention for a period not exceeding 30 days from the 3rd of May 2023. C. The respondents shall be detained at the various police stations as proposed by the state for the period aforesaid. D. The respondents, while in custody, shall at all times be treated in a humane manner and with respect for their inherent human dignity. E. During the time of detention, the respondents shall be granted reasonable access to their advocates and family or any other person whose assistance will be necessary. The access will include the right to communicate privately with their advocates. F. The respondents shall have the right to communicate whether by telephone or other means with any person of their choice, and the persons in charge of the facilities at which the respondents are held shall facilitate the communication.